We're in about the last phase of this project. We're finishing up placing sand, and as you can see behind me, the volunteers are just finishing up planting the marsh, and that marsh will help stabilize the shoreline and stop the ongoing erosion that's happening at this project. Go, 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 go! And I have never seen the turnout at a volunteer project so intensely on a weekday. So we've been doing this now for about 3 weeks. We've had people from the city of Chesapeake come out, which we've really appreciated the city participating. We've got residents at Chesapeake, Norfolk, and Portsmouth coming out. College students from all the major colleges here in Tidewater come out, and just people who are interested in helping the river. We probably have had over 70 to 80 volunteers over the 3 weeks. It was pretty amazing. If you need help, that there's people out there during the weekday that's willing to help you.
I wheelbarrowed a bunch of sand, so that's really what I mainly did today. And I planted the fences too, so that was cool. I've never done anything hands-on like this, so it was a really good experience. And I hope to come back one day and see everything, you know, grow, and that, you know, to see that I actually helped and did something.
We've been fighting some high tides, but we're really moving along. And as of last week, we finished placing sand and we planted another 3,000 plants.
Hopefully we'll be done by the end of this week. It's going really well. Yep, we've been really pleased. Hands down, there's no way that we would have been able to accomplish this much in this a little amount of time without the outstanding volunteers that we've had. So huge kudos to them. Really, hats off.